Back. Problems from statistics 6.3. Okay. Problem 1. Here are some binomial. Here x is a binomial random variable. Question is to compute the mean, the standard deviation, and the variance. Let's go. Look at the formulae. You see, the formulae are given in your frequently used formula sheet. For a binomial distribution, mean is n times p. Standard deviation is square root n times p times q. Okay, so these are the formulae we need. So n times p is mean 5 star 0.2. Sigma squared and sigma. Sigma is square root. So sigma square will be without the square root. So you have 5 times 0.2 times q. What is q? Q is always 1 minus p. So p is 0.2. I have 1 minus p. That's q. So that is sigma square. Sigma square, mind you, is without the square root. So sigma is with the square root. So what I'll do is I'll copy that and write it within SQRT. Parentheses, all of that. Close parentheses. Let's submit. Make sure this solution, this webwork solution accepts SQRT. It does. Okay. Square root. So now we can proceed with the rest of the problems. Mu is n times p. 4 star 0.4. Sigma squared. I repeat, sigma is with the square root. So sigma square is without the square root. N times 0.4 times q is 1 minus p. 1 minus 0.4. So remember to keep everything in parentheses. You are multiplying p and q. Multiplication is a star. So that is sigma square. So what is sigma? Sigma is square root of all of this. SQRT, parentheses, all of this, close parentheses. Next, mu n times p. 4 times 0.7. Sigma square n times pq. 4 times 0.7 in parentheses times parentheses 1 minus 0.7 because q is n 1 minus p. This is sigma square. I'll copy and I'll use it here. Paste SQRT of whatever I just copied. Done. Don't forget to close the parentheses. Last one, mu n times p. Sigma squared n times p times 1 minus p. Sigma is square root SQRT, parenthesis, copy and paste whatever you had from before, and don't forget to close that parenthesis. Everything is good. Next. So the Census Bureau reports that 82% of Americans over the age of 25 are high school graduates. A survey of randomly selected residents of a certain county included 1,180 who were over the age of 25. 957 of them were high school graduates. Find the mean and standard deviation for number of high school graduates in groups of 1,180 Americans over the age of 25. Well, this is what they actually found, 957. But what is the expected value? Expected value is the mean. All right. So we just saw mean is n times p. So n is 1180. P is 82%. 82% is 82 over 100, which is 0.82. So mean is n times p, 1180 times 0.82. Standard deviation we just saw is square root of n times p times q. Q is 1 minus p. All right, so this is what we want to type in. SQRT 1180 times 0.82 times parenthesis 1 minus 0.82. So this is the expected value. This is the standard deviation. Before I go here, let me submit. Okay. Now, is 957 unusually high or unusually low or neither? Well, 957. How far is 957 from the expected value? Expected value is mean, 967. 967 and 957, they differ only by 10. I am allowed a standard deviation of 13. So 10 is within my allowed deviation. So 10 is a difference of 10 is neither very high nor very low. So I would say neither in capital case. All right. And that's correct. So that completes section 6.3. Next videos will cover chapter 7. Until then, bye.